Hello, my name is Naima Winston, and I will be making a vegetable stir fry and teriyaki sauce. I'm featuring ingredients from Baltimore City produce boxes. These boxes of fresh produce are available for free to anyone who wants or needs one at many schools and other sites throughout the city. Okay, so now I'm going to get started on the stir fry. So first I'm going to start up by cutting all my vegetables. First I'm going to cut up some cabbage. Now I'm going to start on my bell peppers. Put that here. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this broccoli. Now I'm going to cut the zucchini. Last but not least, the onion. Now I'm going to cut it in half this way, so I'm left with strips of onions. Got all the time to lose. My sky's on fire. First, I'm going to chop up some garlic and ginger. Then I'm just going to cut that little piece off and mince my garlic. Just chop it up really finely. I'm going to put this back in the container. Now I'm going to do my ginger. Chop this little piece off and then just chop it up. I'm going to dice it just like your garlic. So now I'm going to start to mix everything together. So I have a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 cup of water. And then I'm just going to mix that together. Add my ginger and my garlic. Set that to the side and then quickly make my slurry with 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So we can set that to the side and now make our way to the stove. Now I'm going to turn my heat on. I'm going to put it on medium low. I'm going to add my soy sauce mixture and let it come to a small simmer, and then add the slurry and take my slurry, mix it really quickly, and then we're gonna mix it, and once it's thickened, then you can turn your heat, let it cool down, and use it as a sauce. Now we're gonna get to cooking, so I'm going to put in a little bit of oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, or enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Alright, and so I'm gonna start to add my vegetables. I have some carrot, I have some snap peas, and then I'm also gonna add my cabbage right now. So I'm starting off by adding the somewhat hard food items first to let them cook down a little bit. Let that cook for a couple seconds. Now I'm going to add my bell peppers and my broccoli. Add a tad bit more oil. Then I'm going to add my onions and zucchini. And it's still at a medium heat. And then I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit. We'll give it about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to check on it. Check it, flip it around, mix it. Make sure it's all cooking evenly. Cover it and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Get in there slowly but surely. Starting to get a little color on it. We'll let it sit for like another couple minutes and then add the teriyaki sauce. It like 2 minutes and I'll be okay. So I took the cap off and sprinkled some sesame seeds on top, and I hope you enjoy. This cooking demo is brought to you by Great Kid Farm of Baltimore City Public Schools. Visit Baltimore City Schools website or BeMoreChildren.com to find out where you can pick up your fresh produce box.